Today I'm going to show you how to make Rice Krispie Millionaires Slices. For the base you will need 100 grams of Rice Krispies, 100 grams of marshmallows and 25 grams of butter. Firstly, in a saucepan over a low heat, melt your butter. Then add your marshmallows and mix until melted and well combined. Then add these to your Rice Krispies. Give it a mix until well combined. And then, having pre-lined a baking tin with baking paper, my baking tin was 7 inches squared or 18 centimetres squared, you just want to push down on your Rice Krispies, compacting them as much as possible. As you'll see, I struggled initially with a wooden spoon. I found the best way to press down on the Rice Krispies was to grease the back of a metal spoon and push down with this. This way your Rice Krispies won't stick to your spoon. And then pop this to one side to set. And then for the caramel you will need 50 grams of butter, 50 grams of caster sugar and 400 grams of condensed milk. To a saucepan over a medium to low heat, add your condensed milk, your caster sugar and your butter, and continuously mix it until everything has melted and is well combined. Bring it up to a medium heat and continuously mix until your caramel thickens and the sides start to come away from the sides of the saucepan on their own. You want to continuously mix it because if you don't and you let it sit, it will catch on the bottom, which will cause burnt bits to go throughout your caramel. If you get a little bit of burnt bits, then it's not going to make much difference, but if you just leave it and get a lot of burnt bits, then it will affect the taste of your caramel. And then once it's ready, just pour this on top of your Rice Krispies, just spreading to level it out. And just pop this to one side. And then for your topping you will need 200 grams of milk chocolate. So you want to melt your chocolate. I've done mine in the microwave just for 20 seconds at a time, stirring in between until it is melted. You can do it on a bain-marie, which is a saucepan of hot water with a bowl over the top with your chocolate in the bowl. And then once melted, you simply just want to pour it on top of the caramel, spreading and evening it out as much as possible. I just like to give the tin a little shake just to even it out. And then just pop this in the fridge until your milk chocolate is set. Cut into the size pieces that you want. And there you have it. That's how you make Rice Krispie Millionaire Slices.